I mean, it's as a young kid, you know, I had been told that there might be sequels to the original Star Wars films, and I was excited then. Little did I know that I was going to play a small part in those sequels, and I couldn't be happier. But also, I mean, it's just very bittersweet. It's just very bittersweet to see this saga come to such a beautiful conclusion. It's absolutely true, and it was evident when J.J. Abrams was announced to come back, and after he and Chris Terrio wrote that beautiful script, and when we were filming, we knew that this was going to be just what we need, and also just with Star Wars, how you end a Star Wars triple trilogy saga like you do. So it's just what I've imagined this new movie to be. After seeing the film, my first thought was, when do I get to see it again? And to see it again with such a big group of people, to share with the world, is of the utmost joy that I could ever imagine.